Hello and welcome to Tech. I'm Mohammed Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about the latest Microsoft Business Application Summit 2021 highlights in part 1. So there are tons of updates they have released in Power BI. So we'll walk through the top keynotes and features which is available, which is going to come later this year and in future. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. The first thing is conditional formatting in small multiples. So now you can create the conditional formatting in the small multiples. The next thing is drill down and drill through on mouse hover. Basically, we need to right click on the data points to enable this drill down and drill through features, but now it's no more. If you just mouse over here, then you will get these two options. If it is there, you can drill down and drill through that. And the next cool thing is page generated report visual inside the Power BI file itself as a visual. This is amazing, right? So the best thing is you can just interact with the report here as well. How you are done here, if you select any of the data points on the other visuals, this will also get filtered here. And any of the slicers or filter, whatever you are going to apply here, it's going to apply to this report as well. Not only that, you can just export the report right here from the top left and to PDF or something else. And the next thing is spark lines inside the table and matrix visual. Like you can see here, you can just add this box lines here on top of the regular thing, that is the conditional formatting. And this is my favorite is the bookmark, page navigation and custom navigator buttons. This is really an awesome thing because we are spending a lot of time for the bookmark in order to look and feel the good thing. But here with just click of a button, we can enable these features like we can create a map, table or bar chart with the help of groupings and bookmark. You can easily use this option. And not only that, we can also sort ascending and descending of the graphs. That's also possible using these buttons. And the main thing is the page level security. So you have the custom navigators, and if you have a table with the name of the page and we just link this to this custom page navigator, I mean custom button navigator, then you can enable this row level security applied to all the users. And the next thing is get insights in Power BI service. So for each reports, whatever you have in Power BI service, you will get this option, get insight. Usually it was there like quick insights, but they have enabled this option inside to the Power BI report itself. So once you click on that, it will open up a pane on the right side so that you will get all the insights about your data points. And the next thing is the quick create from the SharePoint list. So you can create the Power BI file using the SharePoint list, which is a new and already there. And this is also one of my favorite is XLO refresh of Power Pivot tables. It's like you can connect to the Power BI dataset inside the Excel file. Like analyzing Excel is also there, so you can directly like connect to your Power BI dataset file inside to the Excel files. And when you publish this into online like SharePoint or OneDrive, then you are directly connected to the Power BI dataset live. And also you can just give interaction with other users as well. So whenever they refresh or filter anything else here, you will also get the latest data here. So you don't need to refresh anything, it's just live connected to Power BI dataset. And you can deploy the Power BI apps into the Teams app directly, which is going to come later this year. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button and let me know about what are the cool features you like about it. If you haven't seen the video and the keynote so far, just go and check out the link given on the description below. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.